Hello. It's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Sweetie Cakes. It's from a video called New to Dash a Fart, Please Donate. It was uploaded on November 14, 2021. The duration of the sound effect is 001 to 005. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the farting sound effect from Sweetie Cakes sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and test it. Ready to go on? I feel so much better. Remember kids, when you need to poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 001 and ends at 005. Make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos and remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.